Hi everyone, let's see how very easily and quickly we can add hidden fields on our forms or surveys using BreezyBit Form Builder in your Salesforce org. So here I have a test form that I created, and here on this form I want to use a hidden field. As you see on the right side, I have the hidden fields section under settings. If I want to add a hidden field, let's say for account, I want to add an account rating for this form. I know that, what kind of, I don't know, clients that I'm sharing this with, or maybe I am gonna embed this on my website, or I'm gonna send this to, again, a specific group of people. And I know that, there is gonna be some kind of rating, and I want to set this up in the form, but I want to do this in the backend without showing my customers. So I can just drag this and drop it into the hidden fields. And since this is a pickless field already, I can just select, okay, I know, the account rating for these accounts are gonna be cold, for example. So when there is a submission using this form, it will create an account record for me already, right? And I know that I'm gonna set the account rating cold for those ones automatically. So I just need to save the form. And when there is a submission, again, the account rating field is going to be auto-populated with this value. This is how you can easily and quickly use hidden fields. If you want to use, multiple ones, you can definitely add multiple hidden fields here too, and just save the form. All of those fields are going to be auto-populated for you when there is a new submission. This is how it works, how the hidden fields works. So thanks for listening. See you in the next video.